In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install CapCut in laptop or PC in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and search for store. We'll be having this Microsoft Store option. Just select open, and here in the search, just search for CapCut and just click it. So this is the official one and it has around 74,000 ratings. Just click on install. This will take some time to download and install. It is around 565 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once it is installed, we will be getting the open option over here, and also we'll be having a shortcut. So just open it. We'll be getting testing environment, so just be patient. And it says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Just click on confirm, and that's it. We'll be getting the CapCut interface. Just click on create project, and here you can import your video and start editing. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.